This is Callie and Candy. Callie's on my right leg. Candy's now on my right leg. This is Candy. She's got more of the reddish buff. And Callie is lighter, but she's got the reddish ears. They're both beautiful.
So Callie's a little lighter in the
Callie
face.
is lighter. There comes Callie to you.
Because I said her name.
And Candy, come back here.
She says,
And
I want to
Callie's
get
got
Bo.
A toy, a big toy, a leaf underneath your shoe. Come on, come back over here. There's all kinds of toys. Play with toys. Play with toys. See, why would I play with the toys when I can play with you, Auntie Chris? Okay, look here. Here's a good toy. Cookie, look, there's a good toy. Cookie. Candy, I don't want you. Oh, Callie, what was that? What was that? Come here, guys. Cookie. Candy just wants me.
Of course.
Callie, come on, baby. Come on, Callie. Candy, I don't want you. I don't want you. Why would I want you? Why would I want you, baby girl?
She says, because you love me. You know
yes.
you do.
Callie.
You know you love me.
Callie, what did you find?
She's licking bricks.
Why are you licking on bricks, huh? Why are you licking on bricks? Goodness, right? Oh. I have to do the shuffle walk now. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. Come on. Come on. Oh, Callie got her a leaf. Callie got a leaf. And Candy's still determined to climb on me. Oh, good leaf, Debbie. Good leaf. Really good leaf.
Is it yummy? Is it a yummy leaf? Okay, you girls are being bad.
I don't think you get much of a...
I don't think we're getting much of a video here.
Yeah, they got too much room to play.